What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be doing an install on my car. It's an electronic boost controller, HKS EVC6. Here it is. I bought this one not too long ago. I'd say like a week ago. I already have one, but mine doesn't work. Let me show you guys what I mean by that. So look, here it is. Exactly the same, but whenever I turn on the car, it turns on, but it just shows an error code. See, turning on, error number 001. So I've asked around what the error means. People say it's a solenoid, people say it's like a faulty connection, but I've done a couple things to try to fix it and nothing is fixing it. So I found that one on eBay used. This wire's always been kind of ripped. This was connected before by like a little clip, but I tried to disconnect it and it came off, but it honestly still works the same. It holds boost at 15 pounds. When it's really cold, it does go to 17, but I think it does die off really quick. Enough of me rambling. Let's get started. Let's go disconnect the ECU that's in there. So here we are inside the car. You pull this back, there's a little plastic piece covering it. This is my field cut defender. This is what I move around to lean it out or richen it up, which also works kind of funky, but it works. So I'm gonna keep that on there. Take that out. By the way, this isn't really gonna be necessarily a tutorial, just me doing it. So I'm guessing this is where the other one is spliced into. Oh no, this is the field cut defender, duh. So yeah, here's my ECU. Let's get that out and pull it up through the firewall over there so it's a little easier to work on. I'll turn on the camera once I'm done with that. Alright, we got the harness out. Took quite a bit of wiggling, not gonna lie. Pretty tired after this. Here's the ECU. But honestly, I don't even know what the hell I'm looking at. Alright, so I had this rat's nest out. I got myself to thinking, like, do I really want to do all this stuff and then have it not work? So I came to the battery, got the negative on negative, black on black, and you can see no error code. So this one works for sure. I don't know what's wrong with that one. I'm guessing this really did have a fault in it. We spliced it in, this little white wire, but it still never worked. I guess it wasn't getting the right connection. I thought the wire ran through here, but it's just to hold it in place, because you see it goes through here and it's right here. So I took this off for nothing and it took like 5 minutes. It's so freaking hard to do. Gotta put that back in. Anyway, I'm glad this works. Finally, I'm gonna be able to control boost. As you can see, you could control boost just by turning this knob. Well, I can't do it right now because it's one-handed. But yeah, I'm excited. No more error code. Finally. So we're on day 2 on this. I gave up last night because I didn't have these. And it's crazy hot today. I even have a fan right here. I turned it off just so there's no wind noise. But it is 102 right now. And I'm just sweating. But I got new little connectors. So basically I just have to take out this one right here, so I have this black wire, and this one right here for the red wire, and then I take it out, put the new harness in, and that's it. I'm gonna do the throttle and RPM another day because I just don't have time. I gotta have the car ready by tomorrow, and it's barely 4 and I still have to do full detail on it. But yeah, I'll catch up with you guys once the other one's in. Then we're gonna test it before putting everything back together, make sure it works. So I got them in. I even got the ECU back in, plugged everything right back up, connected the battery. So now I just gotta turn the key and see if this little thing doesn't show an error code. I hope not. The other solenoid is right here, right there. The old one's over there with the ripped wire. But let's see. Didn't even turn on. Oh, this is not turned on. Stupid me, I said turned on, but I meant plugged in. Well, now I plugged it in. So now hopefully when I turn the key, it turns on. There's still nothing. These are turning on. Why isn't this turning on? Oh, it's not all the way connected. This little clip is broken. Oh, no error code. Yes, finally. So I'm guessing it was the solenoid itself, or maybe just that those wires were ripped. I'm sorry, my fuel pump is going crazy, but yes. Oh, no solenoid. Finally, I mean, no solenoid. It's so hot in here, I'm delusional. No error code. Finally. So I'm gonna use the other screen since this one's kind of broken in the back and I don't want it tripping out. But yes, all right. So that's fixed. I'm not doing the RPM or the throttle because I just don't have time. But yeah, next clips hopefully are gonna be turning up the boost and, you know, doing some pulls. So here we are. We made it to Mexico. The airstrip, at least. I think I see a couple cars over there, to be honest. But there's a C63. There's Kooks. And then there's Mike in the back. There's supposed to be 2 more cars coming, but we'll see if they come. This is just for fun. We're all friends. No grudge racing, no hate here. Rating since that fell off, but we're braking. Don't want to hit the dirt over here. There they are. We're gonna chill here for a little bit and probably do like a couple runs once it gets a little darker. Yep. They're all about to do a dig. We're there chilling. All Mustangs. 03 Cobra, BPU, Whippled 5.0, and a stock Coyote pretty much. That's it for this video. We're now leaving Mexico. Gonna go across the border real quick. Catch up with you guys in another video. Don't know what it's gonna be yet, but just comment, like, subscribe. I'm gonna be posting a lot more of the Supra and just friends and everything. This car is definitely not gonna stay stock or BPU. I'm gonna make a full build on it. And and document it all on YouTube. So just look out for it. Hopefully things start, you know, rolling. Hopefully things start getting a little crazier soon. Colder weather's coming, so that means more boost. But until then, that's all we got, hot weather. But see you guys on the next video.